What's up, Dandelions? Thank you for coming to another Lulu Souls video. I am Lulu Soul, and... Hmm? What's this? Oh, don't worry about this. So I made some bookmarks, and because of the way that I set up my Cricut, the bookmarks don't print and then cut the way they should, at least these specific bookmarks. And by the time I figured that out, I had already printed and laminated the majority of this specific image. So I will be cutting this by hand. You see, I have my first ever Artist Alley convention later this week, so that's super exciting, and I want to be ready, right? So, got bookmarks. Oh, and this just printed off center. These are going to be stickers. But that's not why I wanted to talk to you guys today. First off, I'm sure you would like to know where I've been. I've been doing convention prep. It came up out of nowhere in the middle of October, and it's just what happened. So the videos, I am trying to get them back on track. I'm trying to get quite a few out in a row this coming a little while, so I figured I would do a little bit more of a vlog style than an art style for now. The art videos aren't gone. They're just postponed. I think, yeah. So we'll see. We'll see if I like this vlog style of videoing, and we will see if I decide to keep up with it. Meanwhile, while I have all of your attentions here and I have things to be doing, I might as well talk to you while I cut, right? Yeah. So what I wanted to go into was talking about streaming, actually. Not conventions, surprisingly enough, but streaming. I have been streaming on Twitch for almost a year now. Hooray! And through that process, I've learned a few things. I still have a relatively small following, but it is growing little by little each and every day. And I'm really excited about that, and I'm really happy about that. The community that I do have has really, really wonderful people in it. But what I wanted to talk first about today is one of the very first things you're going to hear if you decide to start streaming, whether it be YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, Twitter, Instagram, whichever platform you so choose. One of the very first pieces of advice that you're going to receive is going to be that you have to cross-platform if you want to make it specifically on Twitch. They're going to tell you it's a very simple thing, that you're going to need to take your VODs from Twitch and you cross-post them onto another platform, you grow a following there, and then you get those people to come on over to Twitch. I'm not gonna lie, it's why this YouTube channel still exists. But I've learned something very, very important. If you join a social media platform just to get popular on a different social media platform, that is going to be apparent to the people that you're trying to get to follow you. So that secondary, thirdary social media platform is just going to feel like a giant commercial. It's not going to be fun to make, it's not going to be fun to see, and it's not going to be fun to follow. Or at least that's what I've discovered in my experience. The way that you actually get a following anywhere, right, is to create content on the platform of your choice that is unique to that platform and that is important to you. And while yes, I could just go, hey guys, look at this art I made on Twitch. In fact, a lot of the times that's what you're seeing. You're seeing a sped up version of my Twitch VOD put here onto YouTube with my voice editing over it. But the voice that is edited over it is usually bringing something to the table here on YouTube that I don't offer on Twitch. So let's think about my art and chat series, right? People that are following me on Twitch, they're not really going to get the whole rant. They might not even get some of the rant. They might only know the topic if the topic closely aligns to the art that I'm making. So if you're following me on Twitch, there's content that you're not gonna see it on YouTube. I mean, you're not gonna see the content I make on YouTube, just like the content I make on YouTube is a different version of what I provide on Twitch, because on Twitch it is a slowed down, real time, hey, this is how long it takes me to make this art. This is what I like to listen to music wise. This is a little bit more about my personality, and I get a chance to engage with you, the viewers, on a more personal level. So it's I would hope a completely different experience to watch me on Twitch versus YouTube. And then if I go on Instagram is where I play around a lot with my video editing. I've got more time lapses on there. I've got skits, I've got little animations. Like, each platform that I'm a part of, even though I have a modest following on any one of them, each one has content that you're not going to find pretty much anywhere else. Instagram, while I do have reels that cross over with TikTok, Instagram is where you're going to find my work in progresses, my stationary artwork. If you want to see nothing but finished portfolio style art, you can head over to my Ko-fi, where you can also purchase some of my work. And then I'm also on Twitter. And on Twitter, I don't do a lot. I occasionally post finished work here or there, but mostly Twitter is just for me to just yammer, sort of like I'm doing here, but in much smaller text form. But yeah, so each social media platform that I am on, I try to bring something new, something different to the table, so that if I do have a viewer that is like, hey, you know what, I want to follow this creator everywhere, you're not just going to be like, oh, look, here's the work of art she posted on Instagram. On her Twitter, you might see, oh, here's her talking about another stream that she was in on Twitter, which was my latest tweet. I was in Hey Shady Ladies stream, and it was glorious, and I loved it, and so I shared that. On here, like, you're gonna see more about my thoughts and my opinions on things in the world. And yeah, it's just, obviously I can't tell you, hey, this is how you grow to 10,000 followers on any given platform, because I haven't gotten that big on all of them combined, much less individually. But I can say that I'm having a lot more fun doing it this way, rather than back when I was just only on the other social media platforms to try and gain a following. So yeah, that would be my first lesson when it comes to things that I have learned while streaming. I hope this helped. Bye.